Alright, for my project I decided to make two separate VIs and then put them into the same virtual instrument just for display purposes. So I actually plumbed my signal generator into channel 1 of my oscilloscope. On the signal generator you can see I can change to various different types of waveforms, including noise forms. I can adjust the frequency up and down. I can adjust the amplitude of that frequency, DC offset. I can add noise of both Gaussian and uniform. And I can also change the amplitude of the noise. I have measurements for those outputs, and then also a save waveform button that I won't show here. With those, I have them plumbed into channel 1 of my oscilloscope. So we'll start with a sine wave at 10 Hertz. So here I can adjust the milliseconds per division. I can also adjust the volts per division and the position for the DC offset here that I have adjusted. I also have triggering. Because of the way that the signal generator works, it actually just cuts off after the first period. I also have spectrum analysis, which is a little bit easier to see with noise. So as I increase the frequency, you can see it creep up and along. And I have a second channel. So the second channel I just have running a really high frequency sine wave. So in the spectrum, when I select channel 2, it'll be up much higher. And if we go back, you can see that we're running a much higher frequency. So we'll turn off this noise. I also added in cursors so they can be turned on using this. They're two different colors, so they're a little bit easier to tell two separate ones apart from each other. And then measurements can be taken, so we can reset them. Bring this one over. We're about 40 Hertz, about 40 Hertz. So I can reset these back to 0 and turn them on and off so they're visible. And then these measurements are taken based off the signal coming in, so I can actually change which channel those are displaying for. So you can select which channel is being measured. And currently they both run off the same stop button. However, on the individuals, they actually each have their own individual stop button.